Hey guys, welcome back to another Redstone tutorials. As you can tell, I'm playing with shaders. Playing with shader. I don't know why I said welcome back to another Redstone tutorials. This is my first Redstone tutorial, which is freaking epic. I'm sorry for not uploading in a long time. I haven't uploaded in so long. I'm so sorry, guys. So in this video, I'm just gonna show you all the tips and tricks that they know about command blocks, which is freaking epic. Command blocks are epic. It's good for making maps. I'm currently making a map. I'm kind of bored, so I'm just gonna make this video. Another thing, shout out to Burn X. He just made the new Minecraft channel, and it's actually epic. Channel's epic. Anyways, let's get started into the video. First things first, you need to get a command block, and the way you do that is go here, write slash give add s command block command underscore block. You know, like put you can put how much, but that doesn't really matter. Alright, so you got a command block. Easy, epic. The first command I'm gonna teach you guys how to do is how to add text to the screen. So which is pretty epic. You go like this. You write you, honestly, you just have to write say and then write anything. So alright, so the command is set. To activate it, you need a pressure plate or a button. So I'm just gonna get a pressure plate. So look, where do you look? Boom. See, it showed it on the screen. It's epic. To add dialogue, this is the way I do it. So you hide two command blocks or any command blocks, how much you're trying to say. So you write something here. First you have to write their name, and the way to do that, you put that arrow and then you write their name, then put another arrow and then you say something, then you do the other person on another command block. And then you have to cover it up with, like, I don't know, you can cover it up with grass, anything basically. So look, you have to put two pressure plates there, and then you just go boom, that's one person saying it, and then boom, there's another person saying it, which is pretty epic. So the next command, I'm gonna teach you guys how to teleport. Yes, but the way to do that, we need to put on coordinates first. So we put show coordinates. Now coordinates are showing. Alright, so okay, so we go say that we want to like teleport here. Alright, epic. Okay, so what you have to do is write slash tp at p, and then you put the coordinates from where you want to teleport. So over here it's 48 4 38, so you just type 48 4 38. Alright, and you like, I guess you try to hide it or something, I don't know, and you just put a pressure plate and then boom, teleported here. It's epic. Pretty epic, right? Yeah. Hit that like button if you think that's epic. Alright guys, so now I'm gonna teach you guys how to do a spawn point with the command block. Alright, so you just type spawn point at p. That's all you have to type. So you put the pressure plate. My spawn point set. Alright, so if I kill myself, I'll spawn back here, which is pretty convenient. Another command, or a command, I guess, is to make you have any potion effect. So what you have to do is write / effect at P. You can give them like let's do jump boost. You have to put jump underscore boost. You don't go V, and then you put how long you want it. So I'm gonna put like, I don't know, 15 seconds, and then this is like the power you want to do. So do you want to put jump boost 2, or do you want to not W, jump boost 2, or just jump boost 3, or jump boost 99? So yeah, you just put that, and then boom, we have jump boost, and we can jump super high now, which is epic. You can do this for like any other potion effect. You can put like levitation, put night vision. You just have to just put an underscore. So now I'm gonna teach you guys how to change the day. All you have to do is write / time set, let's just say night, I guess. Time set night. Night. Boom, it's nighttime. No, I don't want it to be nighttime. I want it to be midnight. So yeah. Boom, now it's midnight. Look at that nice sky. I like these shaders. Now, you wanna change it like, say sunset. Boom. It's a nice sunset. Now, I'm just gonna turn it back to the time it was earlier. Alright. So in this command, it can change the difficulty. That's right. So right now, it's peaceful. That's why I can't spawn anything. So now, let's change the change the game mode to normal. So all you have to do is write difficulty normal. Alright. And you just put a pressure plate. The difficulty is now normal. And then boom, there's a zombie. I don't know why it's holding a shovel. But yeah. Alright, so that does it for today. Those are all my command block tricks I have. That's all I can think of right now. So yeah, those are all the command block tricks I can teach you. Yeah. So outro. Yeah. Oh yeah. For that, subscribe to Burnix. It's an epic channel. If you want to watch like Minecraft Hardcore series, Skywars, make sure to subscribe to him. It's pretty epic. Alright, now bye guys. Thank you guys so much!